Hello all, welcome to my channel. If you have any Ford with Sync 2 system that doesn't have CarPlay or Android Auto, watch this video. This CarPlay decoder lets you add CarPlay and Android Auto as well as can mirror your phone screen. Once you open the box, you will find the decoder, PCB board and cable accessories as well as Wi-Fi antenna and the mic. The decoder compatible Ford list, so if your car is one of these modules, your car is supported and you can fit this decoder into your car. In this video, I will fit this decoder in Ford Explorer 2016 model. As you can see, after pressing OK in steering wheel, the system will change from Sync 2 system to CarPlay system. I will put you the purchase link below, and if you have any comment, please feel free to ask. Let's now start removing the ABMI model, Sync 2 ABMI model, to customize it to work with CarPlay decoder. Here we are, we removed the Sync 2 system ABM module with the touch screen, and we start to remove each other apart. After that, we dismantle the touch screen cover. Now we will move the 4 screws holding the Sync 2 module's PCB board, preparing for installing the decoder, PCB board and the ribbon cables. Here I already connected the decoder PCB board with Sync 2 board and they are connected with two ribbon cables. Then I connected the main decoder with the PCB board I have installed, and connect the rest of wires as it shows in the picture. Now let's put the decoder and the APMI model and the touch screen all together into the car and try to fasten it with tie wraps. As you can see, by pressing OK, we'll switch between Sync 2 system and Carplay system, as well as the opposite way if you want to go back. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel